First, here's a story coming from the Senate this afternoon that has adopted a bill by the Committee on Devolution and Intergovernmental Relations, elevating Nakuru to city status after 2 years of a rigorous process outlined in the Urban Areas and Cities Act of 2011. But what does the upgrade of the city mean to Nakuru residents? Here now is that report, which was produced by Raquel Mwigai.
Acquiring city status under the Urban Areas and Cities Act of 2011 began almost 3 years ago when the county leadership made the relevant application. An ad hoc committee was formed in 2017 to look into the specific requirements.
The committee arrived anonymously.
2 months later, the ad hoc committee submitted its detailed report to the governor, recommending that Nakuru be upgraded to a city. The County Assembly would later adopt the bill, and the report was forwarded to the Senate Committee on Devolution and Intergovernmental Relations. Now, for a town to acquire city status, the Urban Areas and Cities Act of 2011 requires the following. 1. A town should have a population of about 250,000 residents within the municipality. 2. Have the capacity for proper waste disposal. And 3. Demonstrable revenue allocation and infrastructure facilities such as markets, a fire station, and street lighting, amongst other requirements. But what is in a city status? And what are the possible benefits of this elevation? Nakuru looks set to attract more funding from the national government after the elevation. The tourism sector should receive a boost, with more investors likely to invest in the city, and an upgrade of infrastructure in housing, transport, and waste management. Entrepreneurs are, however, raising concerns over the elevation, with the business community projecting an increase in business permit charges and land rates, fears that the county executive has tried to allay.
Koti itaongezeka mara moja, basi itakuwa inafinya wafanyabiashara na itaanza kuwa discourage kufanya biashara. Kwa hivyo tungeomba ya kwamba county government iweze kutilia maanane all the churches ambazo zinaandamana na city status wasiongeze mara moja, watupe time tuweze kujipanga na tuweze sasa kukua integrated to city status.
Tourists come to our city, our hotels, the guys who are playing in the hospitality sector will get more visitors. That means they require more foodstuffs. This is sourced from Nakuru farmers and Nakuru residents. When visitors come for entertainment or hotels, they buy things in Nakuru. Our economy grows from the enhanced tourism that comes from our elevation to a city status.
All focus now turns to the president, who is expected to assent to the bill and grant a charter, making Nakuru the 4th city in the country and the first to have applied for city status under the Urban Areas and Cities Act of 2011.